Hi, I'm Paul Hadesy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you the most exciting part of camping, dumping your black and gray tanks. To empty your black and gray tanks, your first step is to locate the sewer connection, which is normally located on the driver's side or the rear of your travel trailer or RV. Once you locate it, simply remove the cap, and then you'll find your sewer hose. One end has the same exact teeth as the cap. Simply stick that on, twist and turn. Then you want to give it a solid tug to make sure you're nice and secure so nothing comes out. Your other end of the sewer hose is your 90-degree elbow that you will want to put down into your actual dump station. Once you have those two steps complete, you can then pull your black handle, which is your black tank. Once you hear everything stop flowing out, you want to then pull your gray handle, which is for your gray tank. Once you hear everything stop flowing, your tanks are now empty. Now, sometimes some lovely material wants to get stuck to the sides of your black tank, causing it to read 1/3 or 2/3 full, even though it's empty. Most travel trailers or RVs will have a black tank flush where you can actually hook up a water hose at the dump station, turn the spigot on, the water will actually spray the sides of the black tank, knocking anything off, and then giving you an empty reading to your black tank. The big thing with this is if you do use your black tank flush, you want to make sure your black tank is open so the water can flow out and not into your camper. Thank you for watching. To check out more how-to videos, go to our YouTube page or visit roadadventures.com and start planning your next great American getaway.